I'm back again. I'm trying to get these dreams out that God is giving me, okay? All I'm going to say is make sure you're paying attention. Something is coming. I don't know what it is, but we need to be ready, okay? Come on. In this dream, we were at a place, it almost seemed like a school in another city or town. But there was people everywhere and mostly young black boys. Got that right? Young black boys everywhere. My family and I were at this place trying to stay, okay, as close as possible to one another. I actually had my eyes on them. We were walking all over this place, and I'm just trying to make sure everyone is okay. So, as we are moving through the crowds, with me leading, I realize one of the kids is not with us. So I began to look around, and he is still on the ground level in a crowd of boys fighting another boy. Listen, now I know this is a direct attack on my psyche because this one is protected. But all of us are, no matter what. My son won the fight, but they went far and still tried to attack him. I rebuke every scheme, every plan, every one in Jesus' name. Me and mine, oh, we protected. Back up, Satan. You have no authority here. In Jesus' name. Guys, pay attention. They are after our children. Wake up. And I titled this Dismantle the Enemy's Plans by pleading the blood over your families, watching as well as praying, and standing in the gap for them. Okay? That's all I got on this one. But it's several more to come. And I'm going to do what God has asked me to do because He's bringing them and bringing them and bringing them and bringing them. I'm just going to be obedient and do what He has requested. Get these messages out, okay? And this was dated 4/28/23. Okay? I pray you and your families are safe and sound, and you are paying attention to your surroundings because it can save your life. Thanks.